I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
The smudge tool simulates finger dragging and mixes colors on a raster layer. It moves pigment while preserving edge detail and can blur or blend intentionally. The updated tool adds pressure sensitivity for stylus control and new blend modes for realistic mixing. Start with brush size 25px and strength 50% when testing textures and hair. Use sample merge to smudge across visible layers without flattening. Practice short strokes to learn how strength affects color transfer and edge softness. Open the smudge tool options to fine-tune brush behavior before you smudge. Adjust strength percentage to control how much paint moves. Try 50% initially for subtle effects. Set spacing to 10% and hardness to fine for smooth directional strokes without jitter. Enable pressure sensitivity to vary strength and flow with your stylus for organic results. Toggle sample merge to include underlying visible pixels from other layers while preserving layer structure. Use blend modes like normal or multiply to alter how colors interact when smudged. Work in short, directional strokes to preserve texture and avoid muddy blends across shapes. Practice pulling pigment along contours for hair, fabric, and soft transitions between colors. Work non-destructively on a duplicate layer and use masks to refine where smudging appears. Use low strength for gradual transitions and higher strength for painterly streaks and sharp motion. Keep undo history active and save iterations. Undo can restore up to 50 steps in most editors. Finish by toggling visibility to compare smudged and original layers for quality control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.